just woken up in Pacific Harbour on the south side of Viti, Levu, which is the main island in Fiji. Today we are going diving with bull sharks and every other kind of shark imaginable. Everyone around me is still asleep, but they'll get up soon. Apparently the dive operator isn't super keen on us free diving with the bull sharks, mostly because the visibility is meant to be quite bad today, but I don't know, we'll go find out. We'll see what the water looks like, and then if it's good we'll free dive it, and if not we'll have to do it on scuba. Good morning all, we're about to go for a shark dive. It is raining outside, so we're not sure what the visibility is going to be like, and so Bryan and Mitch are a little bit worried. I obviously am unconcerned, and I'll dive with the sharks in any conditions.
That's not what I remember at all.
Yep, it's a perfect day for it. Not a cloud in the sky. Sun is shining. No rain at all. The tropics. Sad day for free diving right now. sharks. You. You. Boys, how are the sharks? If you did like the video, like and subscribe. You're the ones that keep me doing what I do, and I very, very much appreciate it. And by the way, would you freedive with sharks?